Hello everybody. Today is the day we're going to show you how to exchange out your simple shower head for a low flow system. First, this is our shower head. This is our shower arm. This is our flange. Okay, first we're going to pull the flange back, and as you can see, you can basically take the entire unit and turn it. Keep turning it, comes right out. And once it comes out, as you can see, there's a hole there. Behind that hole is the plumbing. So now we go and we get our shower for two that's already set up for installation. Okay, come over here. I'm going to stick it into our plumbing and turn it clockwise until it's snug. And once it's snug, then we know we're all set. Alright, we take the flange, we slide it up against the wall, and we're good to go. Check out that water pressure. Woo. Solid water pressure all the way through. Turn it off, on. Good water pressure. And that's how you change out your shower heads for the low flow shower system. Brought to you by showerfor2.com.